Question number 2. The following pictograph shows the number of clocks sold by the shop from Monday to Saturday. That means a shop which is in which they are selling clocks. From Monday to Saturday, how many they are going to sell, that thing is given in the form of pictures, pictograph, that is clocks. One clock is equals to 2 clocks we have to take into consideration. So Monday, how many they have sold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means 6 2s are 12. Why? Because 1 clock means 2 clocks they have given the data. Then Tuesday 2. 2 into 2. Together per Tuesday they have sold 4 clocks. On Wednesday, then for Thursday, then Friday, Saturday. Okay. The questions, the pictograph is given. The next is questions. On which day were the minimum number of clocks sold? That is Tuesday, only 2 clocks were sold. How many more clocks were sold on Wednesday than on Tuesday? That means you need to compare the selling of Wednesday and then Tuesday. So number of clocks sold on Wednesday, how many? 8 clocks are there. 1 clock means 2 clocks. So 8 2s are, it is 16. That is for Wednesday. Number of clocks sold on Tuesday, only 2. So 2 2s are 4 it is. So we need to find the difference between Wednesday and Tuesday. So altogether on Wednesday they sold 16 minus 4, that is of Tuesday. So how many were sold more? 12 clocks were sold more on Wednesday than on Tuesday, because Tuesday they sold only 4 clocks. Then C. How many clocks were sold on Saturday? Number of clocks sold on Saturday were 10 and it is to be multiplied by 2. So total it is 20 clocks they have sold on Saturday. Then how many clocks in all were sold by the shop in 6 days? That is Monday, how many were there? 6, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 8. Altogether you have to add, and total clocks is equals to 34. 1 clock is equals to, it is given in the pictograph below, 2 clocks. So 34 gets multiplied by 2, it will be altogether 68 clocks were sold in a week. Then question number 3. The following information is about the different kinds of programs that children watch on television these days. So you have to draw the pictures using one face is equals to 5 children we have to take. Program, which program? Cartoon, it is watched. Cartoon is liked by 50 children, whereas sports only 45. News, very few, 25, whereas the serials only 30 and movies were 40. Okay, what is the first question? Which kind of program is most popular? That is cartoon, 50. Which kind of program is more popular? Sports, yeah, movies. Which one is popular? See, sports 45 and movies 40. So movies is liked more. Then how many children watch the news? Only 25. See the news column. Only 25 children likes the news. So I have done it in the notebook. You also do it in the notebook. Copy the questions from the textbook into notebook. One face is equals to 5 children. So cartoon 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 you have to draw, because one face is equals to 5 children. 50 children means 10. Then sports. Sports was liked by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is given there? Sports is liked by 45. That means 9 faces you have to draw. 9 5s are 45. Then news were 25. So one face means 5. 5 5s are 25. Then serials is liked by 30 children. So one face means 5 children. So we have to draw 6 faces. You make the eyes and lips. Movies. Movies is liked by 40 children. So one face is equals to 5 children. It is given here. One face is equals to 5 children. So 40 means 8 you are going to draw. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. make the eyes in it. See, again I have written the answers here. So what kind of program is most popular? That is cartoon. 50 children are watching it. Which kind of program is more popular? Sports, yeah, movie. That is movie. 40 children are watching. Then how many children watch the news? Only 25. Then we have now bar graph. Bar graphs are in the form of pillars. You see beside, you see in the construction of the building they use the pillars, no? So we say that it is pillars. So one thing we have, okay, vertical scale is, this is horizontal and this is vertical. What they have given the names of the student: Mohit, Samina, Seema, Adil, Rakhi and Darshil. The number of members, how many members are there in the family of Mohit? Only 3. Like that, Samina, 5 members are there, whereas Seema only 4 and Adil 6 are there in the family, and the family of Rakhi 4 members are there, and Darshil also 4. Seeing the graph you have to answer. How many members are there in Samina's family? There are 5 members. See, you are going to see which one? This line, standing line, and then you are going to say what is written, number of members in the family. So see the name Samina, and how many are there? 5. See, like this, 5 members in Samina's family. B, which family size is most common? Mostly it is what? See, Seema में भी 4 ही है members, then Rakhi also 4 है, then Darshil also is 4, 4. So most familiar, that is common, is 4 members in the most common family size. Then what is the total number of members in the 6 families? So total means you are going to add the column. So Mohit's 3, like that, then 5, then 4, again 6, 4 and 4. Altogether if you add, it will be 26. Then we have activity 2. The bar graph given below shows the number of vehicles passing through a road crossing in Delhi on a particular day. See, number of vehicles passing. We have to see what is given, number of vehicles passing through the road on 7th of March 2014. So 1 centimeter is equals to 50 vehicles it is given. See the graph, horizontal time interval, during what time and how many number of vehicles in the form of vertical. Between 8 to 9, how many vehicles are moving? 150. 9 to 10, 250 vehicles. Then 10 to 11, 200. 11 to 12, it is 150. 12 to 1, it is 100. And 1 to 12, how many vehicles are moving? 250 vehicles are moving. So what is the first question? What information does the bar graph represent? It is written here. What does the information that bar graph represent? The bar graph represent or shows the number of vehicles passing through a road crossing in Delhi on a particular day. That is, they have given the date. They have given the date is 7th of March 2014. How many vehicles are moving? Then question number 2. When is the traffic maximum? How many vehicles pass at that period of time? See, maximum means more number of vehicles when it is passing. Maximum at the time is 9:10 am and 1 to 2 pm. The number of vehicles passed at that time is 250. 250 vehicles are passing between the time 9 to 10 am and 1 to 2 pm. Then C. When is the traffic minimum? Minimum means very less. How many vehicles pass? That you have to tell at what time. The traffic in is minimum between 12 to 1 pm and the number of vehicles passed at that period is only 100. Now question number D. Use the comparison to complete the statement. Number of vehicles between 8 to 9 am. How many they are moving? 150. And in the second side, number of vehicles between 10 to 11. So 200. 150 and 200 is there. So between 10 to 11 is more. You have to write the greater sign over there. Then question number 2. The bar graph given below shows the various activities in which students participated during summer holidays. See, in the vertical line what they gave the information number of students, and in the horizontal way that is activities drama, dance, singing, computer and public speaking. So drama, how many of them have participated? 40. Then dance, you have to see where the blue line ends here, that is 60. Singing, how many participated? 50. Then computers, very less, that is 30. And public speaking in between 30 and 40, that means we have to take it as 35. The question is, what information does the bar graph represent? Copy the question from the textbook, okay? What information does the bar graph represent? The bar graph represents the various activities in which students participate. Yes, these are the activities done by the students, that is dancing, singing, computer, public speaking, when? During summer holidays. B. Which activity was the most popular? How many students participated in the activity? So it is the dance which is liked most. Yes, you people also like dancing activity more, no? In that 60 students have participated. C. How many students took part in public speaking? 35 students took part in public speaking. Then D. What was the total number of students who participated in various activities? What were the activities and how many was the student? Write down seeing the graph 40, 60, 50, 30 and 35. So altogether it is 215. Then E. Write true or false. The number of students who took part in the singing was the twice number who took part in the drama. See, you have to compare singing and then drama. Singing, how many were there? 50. And drama, they took 40. Was it twice? No. So it is false.